One, it's my ficus plant is entertaining on bonsai tree for the past 4 months. So today I planted this plant in a new large plastic pot. So let's start the video. Okay, I add in this pot bonsai soil, first layer, and its soil is just I collect normal soil and I add just some leaf compost. So, and next I planted my ficus plant in this pot. I don't remove old soil. I know it's a very good soil. So okay friends, my reporting work is complete. So let me know something what you think about my small ficus bonsai, and thanks for watching.